What's going on, everybody? I snuck around the corner for the toy shops right over there. Welcome to the North Pole, everybody. Hey, we don't have any snow yet here. I got from one of our top elves, Bobby Furman. He made a tincture with the fried chicken pepper, everybody. Now, the fried chicken pepper is a cross between a bubblegum mamp and a Jay's Peach ghost scorpion. Look at this gorgeous tincture. Now, this is his Christmas maple flavor, everybody. Let's go ahead and just see what's going on here. Here we go, and here we go. Cheers to everybody. It tastes like maple. Oh my God, this is a good present. Bobby, oh Bobby, the maple, you could taste the maple. The actual flavor of the chicken is really good, everybody. The chicken pepper. It's hot. It's not extremely hot, but it's hot enough to send some endorphins into the Christmas veins of love. Bobby Furman, ladies and gentlemen. His chicken tea. This is literally good tincture, everybody. Very good, very delicious, and a must-have. Good job, Bobby. Hope he don't find out that one's gone. I still haven't got any woman under my mistletoe yet.